Hi guys, welcome to Digital Investment. So today I'm gonna showcase my net gains and loss. So today a few of my orders got executed today. A few of my orders got executed today. Yeah, a few of my orders got executed today. None of my orders got executed. I'm about a net loss of today. I'm in a loss of 709. I knew yesterday's bull run. Yesterday's bull run is not legitimate. It was just a fake out. We say I'm not yet close to beating Nifty yet. I'm very far from beating, but at one point I almost beat Nifty by 1.2% because I trust this stock. You know, one thing I want to tell you, if it's in a good bull run, at least I would see a minimum 1 day return of around 1k to 2k if it's a good bull run. Right now market is not in a bull run. I'll show you. Yeah, slowly FIIs have started investing in Indian markets. Although I don't trust FIIs, although I don't trust FIIs that much, if I don't care that much about FIIs investing, institutions investing. I see a market deal, I buy it. I don't care if the CEO sells or the FII sell. I see a good deal, I buy the market. And DII is pumping. So this is generally a dump. When DII start dump, when DII is dump, FII start buy. So FIIs basically buy from the DII, domestic institution market. One thing I know. So officially now we can see the BlackRock Geo market have gone. NFO has been done. It has debuted. So that may be thing. What if I invest more in your BlackRock? This could be a speculation. Fundamentals, it looks not that good, but the company is making revenue. I don't know how much what it does, still doesn't have that good of a business, but let's play a speculation here, and let's play a Palantir type move, and I have placed I have placed a few buy orders at this level only. I'm interested in 293.1. Since Geo BlackRock has started to demonstrate the business, and its AUM is growing year to year. If it doesn't flop, if it flops here, I'll buy a few more here. Yeah, then I buy a few more here. Yesterday, my Marx's farm, yeah, my Marx's farmers shares didn't get executed, but I'm gonna place a buy. I'm gonna place a few buys for it. I have already placed a few buys for it today. So yeah, I'm gonna place a few buys very close to. Once it hits here, India's pharmaceutical markets growth. So India's pharmaceutical market, I'm trusting in the market and playing I could say a huge upside. You know, if I lose money, I lose money. Life is all about dealing with consequences. You deal with the consequences later. So I want to tell you guys, I want to repeat this again. In my first video, I mentioned those who invested in 2008 financial market crash have launched their own hedge fund and become a billionaire today. So every crash, you all need to make opportunity. 2025 is going to be a bearish market, fundamental supported. So 2025 is going to be a bearish market for stocks because every fundamental supports it. Feds have been cutting rates. Feds have been cutting rates in the US market. In India, there is a pause of interest rate. So it's going to be a bearish market in 2025 for any stock market. You know, uh, and I have placed a few buy orders for. I'm gonna place a few buy orders for ITC around 396.3 and Okay, I'm trusting in this company. This Saturday this weekend I'm going to upload two videos. This Saturday I'll upload a video saying fundamentally strong stocks, how I evaluate fundamentals. I don't rely that much on news. I barely read or watch news. I strictly follow company and how it does in the future, and I I will demonstrate my I will demonstrate my what do you call my fundam how I evaluate companies this Saturday, and then Sunday I'm going to show you few of the good fundamentally good companies where you could be investing in. So I'll show you the orders for it tomorrow. So these are the few orders I have placed for tomorrow. If Geo crashes a bit to 293, it will get executed. Yeah, today none of these orders got executed. Yes, today none of these orders got executed. So this is in waiting period. Yeah, this is in waiting period. So I'm waiting for market to get executed. I'm changing my investment strategies a bit. Last year I was buying at any cost. I didn't know what was management efficiency and other fundamental terms. So right now I only buy when there's huge crash. So I see 2025 as a good crash, a good buying opportunity. Guys, just make use of 2025 crash. You can make a lot more money in crashes than when there is a bull. Uh, I'm following uh, this is a strategy of Bill Ackman and Peter Lynch. I follow investment principle of Peter Lynch and Bill Ackman, two of my favorite investors of all time. So I'll be following their principles, and I follow their principles and invest. That's it. And I'm also Bharat Electronics. I don't want to invest at this overbought level. But I will be. The company is good. Don't get me wrong. Company is financially very strong. It keeps getting bulk orders in. It ventures into the semicon. Now it's slowly venturing into semiconductor spaces as well. So I am going to be buying at mostly around these level. I'll be placing more buys, but I'm mostly interested in this level. I won't be that much interested in this level here, but I'm mostly interested in this level to place a Bharat Electronics order. Yeah, so that's it about my today's investments. That's it about my investment today. There's no good upcoming news as well. So I knew yesterday's uh, bull was just a fake out. Yeah, but I am going preparing for new. I'm raising capital so that I could invest more into blue chip. Because FIs start buying. FIs are mostly into blue chip companies. You guys might be having a doubt. Why don't I short market? I try shorting Indian markets a lot, but problem is I try Indian. There's no much liquidity compared to US market. I did I do sh- I did paper trading with US markets, but that's a very good liquid markets in US. You don't get much institutional participants. You don't get much of an institutional participants in with the FIIs. In institutional participation in the Indian market. It's just mutual funds, and a few algo firms out there, which I hate. I just hate algo firms. They just see the market as one toy and keeps dragging the stock up and down. Guys, let me tell you, don't worry about algo firms. Algo firms just advantage they have is they have a huge capital and they're just driving the market up and down. That's a basically ideology of stock market. I see stock market just as a the supply and demand. So that is what more capital you have, the more gain you will get. But please don't worry about auto firm. In long term, fundamentals have always beaten all those. Okay, they just used to take the advantage of price and efficiency. So don't worry about algo. Invest for the long term. Okay, don't trust this day trader, crypto bros, or anyone. Invest for the long term, and market will reward you. And that's it for me. If you lose, you lose. Life is all about dealing with consequences. So invest for the long term. That's it about it. Please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.